Hello there. Do you ever monitor your weekly emotions? These are my 7 daily emotions every week, and I hope you can see the little good thing in every bad that comes your way. Get motivated. This is joy. This reminds us of what is important and what we should always stick to every day. Sadness. This connects us to those we love. Those who love you and care about you will always be there whenever you are sad. Fear. This protects us from danger and all that. When we fear something bad, we don't usually just get into it on purpose. This is surprise. This helps us focus on new situations in life. It draws our attention to something new. Disgust. This helps us to reject whatever is not good or not healthy for us. Anger. This helps us fight against problems that come our way. It's inevitable. Anticipation. Let's say when you are up to something, anticipation helps us look forward and plan for better things in life. You don't really get to plan your emotions, but you can learn how to paint how you feel today. So please watch this video until the end of it and learn how to paint emojis.
Thank you so much for watching this video until the end of it. If you liked it, please thumbs up for it. Don't forget to comment down below, and please don't forget to subscribe for more. See you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao.